hello guys. So as you can remember that yesterday we completed applications of trigonometry. So from today we are going to start a very new and interesting chapter. It is not new, but the chapter name is new. That is Heron's formula. Okay, Heron's formula, and from there everything is same, just the chapter name is different. Why chapter name is different, I am going to say. So see, here is this chapter number 17. You can see it is Heron's formula. So this Heron's formula, this Heron's formula means it is composed of areas and perimeters. Areas of triangle, parallelogram, rhombus. Perimeter of triangle, parallelogram, rhombus means different types of figures, of geometrical figures. You have to find area. See, Heron's formula means hero's formula. Okay, we know in lower classes we have came to know that the area of triangle we find by using the formula root over of s multiply s minus a multiply s minus b multiply s minus c, where a, b, c are three sides of triangle, and to find s you have to find s by a plus b plus c by 2. So this whole formula means root over of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c is considered as Heron's formula. So with that formula only, this chapter's name is Heron's formula, and many types of other formulas are also there that you are habituated to do with this. So let's see what this chapter tells, Heron's formula. So see, I have told that this chapter, this Heron's formula, chapter number 17 from R.D. Sharma class 9, you can find. Rectangle, see here rectangle, perimeter we know 2 into length plus breadth, area also we know length into breadth. So here same, there is for square, this 4, a is side, a square means side square, 1 by 2 diagonal square means it is the area, means we know area, half into base into height. So right angle triangle you can find half into base into height, means this figure it is told BC into AB. In place of BC into AB we can write anything according to the figure we have to write. Now isosceles triangle you can find perimeter is AB plus BC plus CA is equals to A plus 2x. This is a new, I think, so just memorize. Just remember this formula. Area is equals to 1 by 2 base into height. According to the figure it is told that 1 by 2 A multiplied root over of x square minus a square by 4. So from here, after taking out this root, you will get your answer. That means your answer is 8966.57 centimeters square. So after taking out this root, you will get this. So this is a solution of the first question. Now let's see what second question tells. So see, I have drawn the figure on the board also. Now see how to start this sum. See, from here 150 centimeter is one side, that is AB, BC is another side, and AC is another side. So you have to write that let A equals, means side A is equals to 150 centimeter, B is equals to 120 centimeter, and C is equals to 200 centimeter. Now see, from here you have to find a semi perimeter, that is S is equals to A plus B plus C by 2. So A plus B plus C by 2 means we have found A is equals to 150 plus B is 120 plus C is 200 divided by 2. So now after adding this you will get 470 by 2. So 470 by 2, after doing katakuti, 235 you will get. Okay, so from here you will get 230, that is S is equals to 235. Now see, from here you have to find the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC, how to find? See, root over of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. This is the formula. So S we have found 235. So 235 minus A. So A is 150 multiply 235 minus b. So s minus b, so 235 minus b is 120. Again multiply s minus c. S is 235, multiply c. C is 200. Now after doing subtraction here, this part, here we'll get 235, multiply, here we'll get 5, and 85, multiply, here we'll get 5, and you will get 115, and here multiply 5 is 235 minus 200, so 535. Now after multiplying this part, you will get 803,993 square minus a square by 4 according to the figure, but this is not actually used. Means these types of formulas are used, but this actual form is not used. Here also you can see some extra formulas are there for equilateral triangles, that is perimeter 3a, altitude means root 3 by 2a, a is side, area is root 3 by 4 a square. A square means I have told side, so means side square. So here parallelogram, you can see perimeter 2ab plus bc. So ab is length and bc is breadth, so 2 into length plus breadth, same parallelogram and rectangle. Area also base into height. Here p1 is given, that means this figure it is p1. Okay, you want to confuse. Here you see rhombus, perimeter is 4a, and area is half into d1 into d2. So d1 is what? d1 into d2 means base into height, same. So this is the Heron's formula, and see I have told Heron's formula is mainly used for area of triangle ABC. Means for triangle ABC or any type of triangle we use this formula, root over of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. For this only we told this chapter's name is Heron's formula. Let's start solving sums. And I have also told that how to find the value of s. S is equals to sum of all three sides divided by 2 is a semi-perimeter of triangle ABC. So S is considered as a semi-perimeter of triangle ABC. Okay, and see here remember this formula is applicable to all types of triangle, whether it is right angle or equilateral triangle or isosceles. Any type of triangle is there, you can apply this formula, any type of triangle. So here are some illustrative examples, or you can simply say examples level 1. This is the easy examples. Also examples are there for level 2, which is little bit lengthy, little bit understanding. And here example 1, you can see these examples. There are many examples are there, as this is the R.D. Sharma. It's a very renowned book, and there are many types of examples, many examples. If you see these examples clearly, you can understand. If you read each part of this question, each line of this question, you can understand very clearly. If any problem arises in this example types questions or level 1 in level 2, any type of questions, any type of level 1, 2, 3, 4, infinity, any type of questions, then just comment me down that time only. Okay, and I am trying to give the PDF of this chapter in the description box. So here you see from 17.8 our level 1, that is exercise 17.1 starts. So we will start from level 1 and we will try to solve all. See, this is the very easiest question in the world. Why? See, I have told what is the area of triangle, root over of s, s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, all are in multiplied, okay, in under root. So how to find s? S you have to find by a plus b plus c by 2. What is a plus b plus c? What is ABC? ABC has three sides. See here, three sides are given: 150 centimeter, 120 centimeter, 200 centimeter. So you have to let a is equals to 150 centimeter, let b equals to 120 centimeter, let c equals to 200 centimeters. Now semi-perimeter of triangle, you have to draw a triangle or any triangle ABC. You have to write a plus b plus c by 2 is equals to s. So by adding this 150 plus 120 plus 200 by 2, what you will get, I am showing in the board. Then after finding the value of s, you just put it down to your formula, and then easily you can find the value. Let's see how to solve this. So see, I have done with question number 1. Now let's see what question number 2 tells. See, question number 2 is very similar, very similar, is completely similar to question number 1, so I am not doing question number 2. Let's see what question number 3 tells. Find the area of a triangle whose two sides, means here not all three sides are given. Okay, here find the area of a triangle whose two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeters. So two sides are given, 18 centimeter, 10 centimeters. That means our first work will be to find the third side. Okay, and the perimeter, see, and the perimeter is 42 centimeter. That means how we find the perimeter of a triangle is sum of all the sides. Okay, sum of all the sides. So you can say that 18 plus 10 plus the other side is equals to 42 centimeter because it is a perimeter. Okay, so in place of a plus b plus c, I can write 42 centimeter, or I can write 42 because it is the perimeter. Let's see in the board, it will be very clear. So here two sides are given, that is, one is, let a is equals to 18 centimeter and b is equals to, it is 3 number. A is equals to 18 centimeter, b is equals to 10 centimeter. Then what will be c? C we don't know. C we don't know. What centimeter we don't know. So how to find c? See, we can find c because we know that the perimeter of a triangle is equals to sum of all the sides a plus b plus c. So perimeter of a triangle, see, perimeter of the triangle, it is given 42 is equals to a plus b. So a we know 18 plus 10 plus c. So from here 18 plus 10, this means 28, and here 42 plus c. Therefore c will be equals to 42 minus 28. So c will be equals to 14. So c will be equals to 14 centimeter. See, a is equals to 18 centimeter, b is equals to 10 centimeter, and c is equals to 14 centimeter. Now therefore perimeter, semi-perimeter is equals to a plus b plus c by 2. So what is a? We know this 18, b we know 10, and c we know 14. So 18 plus 10 plus 14 we don't need to write here because we know that a plus b plus c is equals to perimeter. So perimeter it is given only 42. So 42 by 2, it will get 2 to the 4, 21. Done. We have found s. This is equals to s. Okay, this is equals to s is equals to 21. Now therefore area of triangle ABC, in triangle you can write, so root over of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Done. Now here root over of s we know 21 minus a is 18. Again here bracket 21 minus 10, 21 minus c we have found 14. So from here you will get 21 multiply, see, 21 minus 18 is 3, multiply 21 minus 10 you will get 1, and 11 multiply, you will get 7. So this we are getting, okay, centimeter square. Now see, from here 21, this 21 can be written as 3 into 7, multiply 3 into 7, multiply 11 centimeter square. See, 21 can be written 3 into 7 into 11 centimeter square. Now see, from here 3 will come out, and here from 7 will come out, and 11 cannot be come out, so 11 will be inside the root, 11 centimeter square. So 7 is a 21 root 11 centimeter square. This is the area. Hence this is our answer also. I think this question is very clear to you. The solution is very clear. Okay, now let's move to our next solution.